Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, Scotsman model wise ACM 56 brand. This ice maker is not working at all. Actually it is totally dead. Now I'm going to troubleshoot the problem. Also I have to repair anyway this ice maker immediately, and we will go to the next step. I will show you how to repair this one. Here power on off switch, this one. Now I already given power connection. But it's not working here. That's mean power, I have to check whether power supplying or not. Because of that we will check first. Now I'm going to remove the back cover. First we have to remove all the screws are here. Take it up, top cover. I'm going to take it, top cover here. I will keep like that because all the screws I have to remove. Okay. Now you can see here. Now dear friends, here power connector. Now we can check here, it is power supplying or not. Yes dear, you can see here it is power supplying, no issue. The swing cable, fuse, everything's okay. Now we have to check front side. Now I will remove here front cover, 2 screws. Now it's okay. Now dear friends, this is the switch. You can see this is the power on off switch. Also now I will show you this switch. This is temperature, that's mean thermostat switch. This one you can see here. You can see dear friends, this plunger is already came up. You can see here. This is the problem with this machine. This plunger already came up. It should be inside. That's mean this is small issue actually with this ice maker. This filter already got blocked. Otherwise condenser pan not working. I saw that condenser pan. We have to check the condenser pan. Anyway, the problem actually you can see here. This one totally blocked. It is totally blocked. You can see dear friends here. This is the reason. That's mean condenser getting warm. That's mean it is device with the ambient temperature and mechanical temperature. It's all together. It will come at the same time through the thermostat, getting power cut off. At the moment this is the happen. I will show you again the plunger. It is already came out. You can see here. I am not going to press this one. If it is pressing, it will machine will start. Just I want to show you, that's why I remove here, because from the beginning I found this one. While you starting troubleshoot the problem, you have to check if this situation, you have to check the power supply or not. 230 power. After that you have to check same way this model condenser filter, because this filter getting blocked at the same time. Temperature goes high at the same time. Thermostat realizing and this plunger coming here, and power cut-offing, power not supplying, it's power supplying through this thermostat. Because of that only this machine not working. Now if I'm pressing this one, it will get start. I will clean the filter. You can see, dear friends, this one totally actually it's got block. It's too much lint, dust, everything came. It's not circulation, it's not ventilation. Now if it is this one also getting block, also fan motor also we have to check. Anyway, this is the main issue now, which is I found. After cleaning we will fix and restart the machine and we will check. Now we can check fan motor also here. Yeah, fan motor actually I don't think it is problem, no any problem. It is while no any tight also, it is smoothly running. This is the thermostat. You can see here, after temperature going up, this sensor, this thermostat realizing, at the same time thermostat plunger goes up and power cut-offing. This is the function with this thermostat. I will fix again as same before. Also I am going to restart. I'm going to restart this one now. I already given power water connection also. I will press this one. After that machine should start. Now you can see here, I will press, it's like that. It is plunger already gone inside, you can see. Now it should be like that. Now I will press, yes my dear, you can see machine start already. Fan motor no any issue, I will show you. Fan motor is working properly, no any problem. Here pump also, pressure motor also working properly, no any issue. If it is you are also occurring, it's not working, the Scotsman brand ice maker, you have to check the same way. First we have to check the filter. After that, if it is filter no any blockage, you have to check the fan motor. If it is plunger, it came up, at that time you have to check that two items, fan motor and filter. If it is fan motor not working also, at the same time it's happening the same. Now you know the problem, and anyway we will wait. I given power connection, water connection. We will wait until making ice. Now I remove top cover also. Now we can check. I will remove that one also here. I will remove the cover here. You can see, dear friends, it is water already got inside the machine. Compressor working, it's making cool. We have to wait until making ice. After that we can complete the job. Now I already cleaned the filter. You can see here it should be like that. Now I will fix again. The same way we have to fix. Until end we can enter. This one it should be like that. After fixing we can fix filter also, but anyway now it is okay. Yes dear, you can see now these ice cubes are already made. It is filling down now. 3 pieces already came. Now my job already completed actually. Now I have to refix. We will wait. But ice cube is coming, is little bit small. Now I have to increase from the thermostat. After that it will come full. Now it's like half. Because top cover also I didn't close properly. After closing also it will be okay. But anyway, we will check another cycle also. Yes, it is already start again. Another cycle. All the ice cubes are fell down. Now my job I can complete. Now if it is again I'm telling this plunger. This is thermostat. Plunger is coming up. You have to press. After that it will restart. But within few minutes it will again realize if it is not cleaning filter, otherwise fan motor not working. Because of that you have to careful observe, otherwise troubleshoot the problem. Now I can close, I can fix all the covers, back cover, top cover and everything. Now I will close again, otherwise ice cubes it will get, it's not coming full. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.